Hello, hi JBNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. Topic is a CT scan. Period to CT. Period to CT. 2D imaging was use X-ray. 2D imaging was use X-ray. There was superimposition of structure, less clarity of image, computed use of computer. Tomography means Greek word tomos Greek word means slice. Graphy means right. Tomography means slice, regarding to slice study. Computed tomography is the process of generating a two-dimensional image of slice or section through a three-dimensional object. A tomogram. Computed tomography or computerized axial tomography is an examination that use X-ray and computer to obtain a cross-sectional image of the human body. History. The first commercially CT scanner was invented by Sir Godfrey Hounsfield in UK, United Kingdom. The first EMI scanner was installed in Morley Hospital in Wimbledon, England. The first patient brain scan was done on 1 October 1971. EMI scanner is limited to scanning only brain. Hounsfield and Cormack got the 1979 Nobel Prize for their contribution to CT. Parts of a CT scan machine. First, gantry, scanner system. Second, patient table. And third, computer, operation control. Scanner system. First, X-ray tube, detector system, collimators and filters. Parts of gantry. X-ray tube. X-ray tube generate X-ray beam. X-ray tube generate X-ray beam. Second, detector. Detector detect the X-ray passing through the patient body. Detector detect the X-ray passing through the patient body. Collimator narrow the beam of X-ray. Narrow the beam of X-ray. Filter. These are used to filter some ray from entering the patient body that may be harmful. Types. Two types. Conventional scan. Conventional scan is taken slice by slice and after slice the scan stop. Conventional scan is taken slice by slice and after slice the scan stops. Example, from top of abdomen till the pelvis. From top of the abdomen till the pelvis. This needs the patient to hold their breath. Spiral scan. Spiral scan continuous scan taken in spiral fashion. It is cube. Spiral scan continuous scan taken in spiral fashion. It is quickly scan. When X-ray pass through the human body, some of the ray are absorbed and some pass through the body to produce an image. In plain X-ray imaging, the film directly absorb, penetrate X-ray. In CAT scanning, an electronic device called a detector array absorb the penetrate X-ray, measure the X-ray amount and transmit the data to a computer system. In turn calculate and analyze data from each detector in each level and finally reconstruct multiple two-dimensional cross-sectional image. Display on screen, Hounsfield scale, linear transformation reference being distilled water. Range from plus 1000 Bohm to minus 1000 air or gas. CT number or Hounsfield scale is a measure of radio density. CT number measure in Hounsfield unit. Liver Bohm CT number plus 1000, liver 4260 and white matter minus 22 minus 30, grey matter minus 37 to minus 45, blood 40, muscle 10 to 40, kidney 30, CSF 15, water 0, fat minus 50 to minus 100, hair minus 1000. CT scan of brain, an imaging technique of the brain that reveal tumors, blood clots, hemorrhage or other abnormal anatomy. A series of computerized images of the brain at various levels are taken to reveal normal anatomy or any abnormality. Used for brain, evaluate acute cranial facial trauma, determine acute stroke, evaluate suspect intracranial hemorrhage, evaluate headache, determine if there is abnormal development of the head and neck and tumor clots. Parameters: scan range starting at base of the skull, ending at vertex of the skull. Respiration, shallow breathing, positioning supine, head immobilized, and arms along the side. Parameter patient preparation, fasting for 4 hours before the examination, starting at floor of the mouth, ending at supraclavicle fossa. CT scan of neck. Starting at floor of the mouth, ending at supraclavicular fossa. Respiration, suspended expiration with no swelling. Huge spine airway, carotid vessels, salivary and thyroid glands are included. Two relate parotid and submandibular gland, lesion or infection, head and neck disease, foreign body, data log in the neck or upper airway, tumors or infection of pharynx vocal cord. Thank you, James.